guys, I'm here na sa ABS-CBN and I'm waiting for the ticket and the van na magsusundo sa amin para ihatid kami sa Lubao, Pampanga. So, yes, I'm very excited for that. Nandun na yung makasama ko, nasa VRS na sila in front of the parang reception area ng ABS-CBN. So, this is my OOTD guys. White. Yan. So, I'm very excited for this afternoon and of course, isama ko kayo. See you guys later na lang ulit.
Oh my God! G7X. Dito titingin tayo dyan. Dito tayo. Yan, si Ate Rachel. Jumela. Akin to eh, akin to. Ako mag-vlog nito buong araw. Punta na tayo dun sa kanila. Hindi siya mabilis. Ako yung may-ari nito eh. Saan ka magtanong? Ayun, si pinakainis. May G7X no, Mark II pa. Saan ka pa?
Ang ganda rin naman ng camera mo ah.
Manoodin niyo po ako kung nanonood po kayo kay ate. Manoodin niyo po ako ah. Hindi niyo pinanood ah. Pag ako talaga hindi niyo pinanood, mga ano kayo? Galing kayo sa channel ko, panoodin niyo si ate, diba?
We're here na sa bahay, so hindi na kasama from other girls. Hi guys!
My mom, hello! Subscribe kayo sa channel ko guys. Sa akin din. Sia Pascual, search Sia Pascual ang YouTube. Panoodin niyo Divisoria Hall ko.
Ako, Ja Paulino.
Hello! Regina Borromeo on YouTube, Dawal Art.
Dati pinapanood lang kita. Hindi ba ako nag-vlog?
Tingin ako niya yung bati kong video sa Pampanga. Papunta lang kami ngayon sa Lubao. Yan yung mga kasama ko sa bus.
Hi!
Mga moms. Hi! Agardo Marizana. United again.
Yes.
Ano
We're here again.
Sumakay sa ABS-CBN. Mainit. Ang nahihibok.
Guys, I was appointed as team leader dito sa van. And si Miss Anamay. Ano pangalan ng babae? Anamay Barcelona. Yung channel ko pa
Regina Borromeo, I do degree fashion
ako yung magbibigay sa kanya.
Ang ganda niyo,
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.
We're walking na towards the entrance dahil medyo mainit guys. We're going to enter na. Yeah? Yan. So, we're here na sa Lubao at walang hot air balloon as of the moment because it's finished na kaninang morning and then maybe later afternoon magkakaroon ulit sila ng event or program. Ang daming vloggers guys. So siguro kakain muna kami kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. My gosh. So, maybe mag-lunch muna kami. What time is it? 3:37 pero mag-lunch parang Rain sa Rice TV.
Yes!
Yes. Dito ang mukha kong fresh, pero sa personal, hindi na ako fresh. So, ayun. Subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Joke lang. So, ayan. Bye!
For the past lovers.
Ayun na. Nakapagpahinga na kami guys. Nakakain na rin ako. And start ako ng vlog.
I'm not the first to admit this. Very deep in this business. I can tell what the hell life is, but I'm running to the
sobrang init. Hindi na kami umalis.
So tell my pages of a lie.
Naupuan namin.
We achieved, maybe thrown back to the fire to burn.
So, dito sila.
Never to return until the day that we are meant to leave this earth.
Wala pa si Alex Ariolo. Although hindi ko naman siya ganun kilala, pero excited pa rin ako para makita yung kanya and marinig yung kanyang mga music. So, andyan maraming
Ain't nobody got time for that.
hindi na ako
Hindi
na ako nababadsara kanina kasi hindi lang namin yung so yung ibang vloggers nandun I don't know where they are. Hello! Mag-vlog ka na rin ba?
Alright, thank you so much.
Saan tayo punta?
Did you guys enjoy it?
Punta kami doon. Ayun namin yung mga fellow adobers namin.
We're just coming in tonight. Welcome to the Lubao Hot Air Balloon International. Hello! Adobers din. Hi! Yes!
namin siya taga-Sugal. And, vlogger din siya. And, naka siya. 100,000 subscribers na siya. So, I'm happy to meet you, pa!
If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. And you come on, sorry from way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling.
This is how we know. She said, hola, ¿cómo está? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. I said, bonjour, my love. And she said, ça passe. And I said, nabouré. No matter where I go, you know I love you more. You make my ex-girl jealous, cause she knows that you better. You make my next girl mad, and I ain't even met her. My mama said if we had babies, they'll come straight out of heaven. Girl, that's how fine you are. Hey! Nobody knows how it all turns out. We promise to party out of control. Hey! We gon' keep shining till the sun burns out. We gon' keep shining. We gon' keep shining. We gon' keep shining. We gon' keep shining till the sun burns out.
At last, I'm home, guys. Sobrang pagod. What a tiring day. Sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog while traveling kasi nakaidip ako sa van and you can see sa face ko, wala na akong makeup because I already wipe it out ng aking facial wipes. So, yan. Medyo oily na ako. I need to have some skincare routine dahil talaga nabitit kami sa araw kanina. And I hope hindi ako na-sunburn. Yes, I think hindi naman mahapde yung aking mukha. So, yun guys. I'm so tired. I want to thank Adobe Studio, ABS-CBN for giving me a free pass for the Lubao Balloon ano ba yun? Balloon and Music Festival 2017. So, thank you very much, guys. And I hope hindi lang ito yung magiging event natin. So, I want to thank my fellow Adobers din, guys. Thank you very much sa pagsama niyo sa akin. Lalo na kina Joella, si Chen, at yung kanyang sister. Ay nako, masaya ako to meet you all. Especially si Pamela Swing, napakabait niya. Hi, Pam! And yes, so yun guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa araw na to. And until my next vlog, see you all guys!